Hi guys, do you want to make your coffee shop in Unity? And if you want to do, this tutorial is for you, so let's start. Yeah, so this is a free pack, and this pack has many things we need like models, a demo gameplay. So we are going to import this pack and make this demo gameplay by our own self. So let's create a project, new project 3D. So coffee shop game. Yeah. So let's open our project. It's going to open. If you can see, everything is here made partially defined. So you see, we can open glass. So everything is just perfect for making a game. And here is also a demo gameplay. This is the gameplay scene. And let's play. So you see, here is also a demo gameplay. We can take cakes, bakery items, it's cooked. See, that's how. So we are going to make this scene in our next tutorial. So see you then. So guys, see you in our next tutorial where we will make this scene by our own self. So see you. Bye. Have a good day.